How to find your phone number on Facebook. It's very simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Facebook. Make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now what you need to do is move into your profile section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're inside your profile, now what you need to do is click on this three horizontal line at the top left corner of the screen. Head over to Settings and Privacy. Now simply move into Settings. Inside Settings, click on See More in Account Center. Inside Account Settings, you need to move into Personal Details. And there you go. Now you will be able to see your phone number that you have added on Facebook. So this is simply how you can view your phone number on Facebook. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.